Here you go.
Thank you. Oh man. Oh my gosh.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we will be cooking chicken shawarma bowl. So I'm gonna show you the ingredients that we need. I will show you the process. So please stay until the end of this video and please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. And without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so the main ingredients is 2 pieces of this chicken cutlets, 1 shallot, 1 cucumber, minced garlic. I will be using Roma Tomato, 1 lemon. And then for the sauces, of course, the Shawarma Spice Blend. We have a chicken stock concentrate, we have yogurt, and a sour cream. And also, instead of using rice, we will be doing couscous, a hummus, and a hot sauce. In a medium bowl, we're gonna combine the yogurt, half the garlic, half the shawarma spice. We will use the rest later. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of pepper. We're just gonna stir it together. Next, I'm gonna grab the chicken and I will dry it with paper towels. And then I'll add it to the bowl. And I'll just make sure the chicken will be coated by our mixture. And then once everything is coated, we will just have to set it aside and marinate it while we do the other stuff. While the chicken is marinating, we're gonna grab another bowl. We're gonna combine the cucumber, the tomato, half the shallot, and then we'll toss a drizzle of olive oil. And we're just gonna squeeze all this lemon juice. And we're just gonna season it with salt and pepper, and we'll stir it together and we can set it aside while we cook the chicken. Meanwhile, we're gonna grab a big pan. We will heat a drizzle of olive oil, preferably non-stick pan, over medium-high heat. Now we can add the chicken to the pan and we will just have to cook it until browned and cook through around 6 to 8 minutes per side. So now I'm just flipping this chicken and I will add the other chicken in the same pan and I will have to give a timer at the same time around 8 minutes, and then once it's done, I will have to flip the other chicken for another 8 minutes, so it will be cooked at the same time. So that is the timer for the other chicken, and I'm just flipping it for another 8 minutes or until it's brown, just to finish this chicken. Now that it's cooked, I'm transferring it to a plate, and I will turn off the heat and just set aside the pan. So now it's time to cook the couscous. I am grabbing a small pot and I am heating a drizzle of olive oil over medium-high heat. We're gonna add the remaining shallot. We're just gonna cook it until slightly softened, around 1 minute. I'm adding the stock concentrate. I'm adding the remaining Shawarma Spice Blend, 3/4 cup of water, and 1 tablespoon of butter. So once boiling, I'm just gonna stir in the couscous. Just cover the pot and remove it from heat, and let stand until water has absorbed and couscous is tender, at least 5 minutes. So now we have our couscous. Oops. So now we have our couscous, you can see. And we also have our chicken and the salad. Okay, so we are ready to make our bowl. Okay, so first thing, since this is good for 2 servings, we're gonna just put half of it in this bowl. Bowl, and then we're gonna just cut this and slice it lengthwise. Okay, and then we'll just put it in the bowl, and then we put our thing on the side. And then this is our sauce. So I forgot to tell you guys that I put the remaining garlic in the sour cream. So I'm gonna just put like some of it. I hope that's not a lot. And then we're just gonna put some hummus. So I have here a classic hummus. And then a little Cholula. We're gonna open this. And then we'll like put okay, and now ready for our chicken shawarma bowl. Now I'm gonna have my husband taste it and see if he likes it. Here you go.
Thank you. Oh man. Oh my god. Oh man. Oh. Cut the tape, cut the tape, cut the tape.
Is it good?
It's the best.
What is Tagalog of good?
It's very masarap.
Alright, thumbs up. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. Bye!